Jumping into a market that's already dominated by an established company is nothing new for Tesla, and if its track record in the auto industry is anything to go by, it's safe to assume that a foray into the smartphone arena would be equally successful. We're about to put the Tesla Pi smartphone concept in the ring with the undisputed heavyweight of the phone industry, the iPhone. Stay tuned to see how Tesla's Pi can dominate the iPhone in this industry. From the time they hit the mass market nearly a decade ago, Tesla's vehicles have garnered the reputation as the iPhones on wheels, a revolutionary technological leap that did for cars what Apple's smartphone did for consumer tech. They offered large touchscreens, a vast charging network, and groundbreaking performance that delivered on the dream of electrification seemingly without compromise, where competing products failed to stitch all aspects of that formula into one. Like Apple, Tesla built its brand on exclusivity and aspirational products, prioritizing the experience of ownership as much as the utility of the device itself. And both companies have integrated software with hardware in a way that revolutionized their industries, making the transition to new technologies relatively intuitive for even the non-tech savvy user. It's been 14 years since Apple launched the first iPhone, a device that would fundamentally transform how we interact with technology, culture, and each other. When Steve Jobs first unveiled the iPhone, he described it as a revolutionary mobile phone, a widescreen iPod with touch controls, and a breakthrough internet communications device. At the same time, the iPhone had the most significant effect on the world and internet development with its touchscreen design and first high-quality camera available on the phone. The iPhone changed the game of the mobile phone industry and started the smartphone craze that many other companies, like Samsung, would emulate. With the launch of the App Store in 2008, Apple changed the way software was created and distributed, and from that point, the phone industry was never the same. An innovator like Apple, Tesla is a company that innovates and produces cutting-edge tech. Tesla blazed into the car manufacturer scene in 2003 and became the #1 car producer on the planet in 2019. When Tesla makes a move, the world notices. For years now, rumors have swirled about a Tesla smartphone that would challenge legacy phone makers. So far, they've only been rumors. Still recently, a Tesla designer released images and specs for a concept Tesla phone called Tesla Pi, and has the world wondering if the Tesla phone is becoming a reality. The Model Pi has an indestructible alloy covering and is on its path to becoming a real contender in the smartphone industry. The first step is to conceptualize how the device itself will look. It's pretty basic when seen from the front, with a narrow edge-to-edge screen, but this is where it drastically differs from others. Tesla Model Pi is planned to be forged by fire to make its alloy ultra-resistant. This will prove very vital, because if you've ever had a phone, you've had the experience of dropping it and damaging its case or its cover cracking or the screens, and then dealing with the frustrations of getting all of that replaced. So imagine a phone almost as resilient to impact as a sheet of metal. Tesla phone designers have advanced the technology that allows your phone to see in the dark with its 4 different cameras with state-of-the-art lenses. A Pi Tesla phone user will be able to turn pitch black areas into lit zones, perfect for capturing the most outstanding photos. This is going to allow you to see the cosmos in stunning ways because the high-quality quad cameras in the back offer ultra-wide telephoto lenses, as well as a lens for astrophotography for those who love the nightlife and taking photos with friends. The Tesla phone will have a high-res selfie camera, which is probably going to be a favorite feature of a lot of people. The Tesla Pi internet connection. As mentioned earlier, the iPhone was a big shot that brought the world benefits of being able to use your phone to connect to the internet on a wider range. So if Tesla's Pi is going to actually be greater than the iPhone, its internet connections had better be able to go above and beyond. Therefore, designers are devising plans to allow your Tesla phone to connect to Starlink. Starlink is a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX, providing satellite internet access to most of the Earth. With its low-latency broadband internet, the system will be able to meet the needs of consumers across the globe. With your Tesla Pi, you'll be able to connect to the Starlink with your very own particular IP for faster connectivity reserved for you. Speed tests discovered that Starlink's internet speeds are fast approaching those of regular broadband already. Starlink had an average Q2 download speed of 97.23 megabits per second. If you're not keen on tech talk, here's a much simpler way to describe it with Starlink. You'll be able to download your favorite movie in about a minute when it comes to satellites. Elon Musk's company has the fastest satellite internet speeds, beating HughesNet and Biosat. As far as apps that come with a phone, there will be standard features like calendar, calculator, clock, compass, notepad, and more. Still, there's one more exciting feature that can earn you money if you so choose. Perhaps this option dawned on the designer's mind since Elon Musk is fond of cryptocurrency and a huge participant in the crypto world. The Tesla Pi is said to have a Mars coin mining app, Permanent human settlement on Mars has been a drive of Elon Musk and SpaceX for a while, and it truly is rapidly becoming a reality. So by purchasing and mining Mars coin, users will indirectly be supporting the development of transportation solutions, surface logistics, and infrastructure. Overall, they will be directly contributing to the exploration and settlement on the Red Planet. Knowing that the simple app could assist humans in being multiplanetary is enough to be enthusiastic about. The solar charge. Elon Musk is a sucker for electricity. His company makes some of the best batteries on Earth. Still, he's smart enough to realize that electricity may not be abundant in some scenarios. So the designers of the Tesla Pi are utilizing the power of the sun to recharge your phone with solar panels. The solar technology has not been introduced to the smartphone market by legacy phone makers yet. The usefulness and the originality of having a solar charged phone is a feature that makes Tesla Pi 5 times better than the iPhone. Tesla Pi with Neuralink. Now for the piece of the puzzle that makes the Tesla phone 10 times better than the iPhone. We have a connection to Neuralink. The developers are conceptualizing some far-fetched aspects of the phone that have the fanboys having wet dreams and skeptics cracking up. Designers of the Tesla Pi visualize the Tesla phone connecting directly to your brain via Elon Musk's Neuralink. This will essentially allow you to control your phone with your brain. You'll be able to input all your commands just by thinking. So does that sound like an excellent idea? Tesla's redesigned iPhone app features 2 new home screen widgets. Tesla is rolling out a major update for iOS smartphone apps with new controls, improved management, and cool visuals. Version 4.0 also gives the choice between 2 different sized widgets on your iPhone home screen. As detailed by Tesla software updates, both feature the same information: the name of the car, battery percentage, location, or charging info, as well as unlock status and an image of the vehicle, and the time the information was last updated. Tesla previously had a Today extension for iOS that was nowhere near as comprehensive as the new widgets. In terms of control, you can send commands to your car immediately when you open the app, instead of waiting for your vehicle to wake up. There's also enhanced phone key support that essentially lets you unlock multiple Teslas. An updated visual that should immediately be noticeable is the new 3D vehicle render. There are also new animations when you charge your car and in the climate control sections. Design-wise, Tesla has ditched the charging section and now displays the info when your car is plugged in. You can also view supercharging history from within the app, while the speed limit, valet mode, and sentry mode settings have been moved to the new category titled Security, which includes tips on how to use the Bluetooth, phone key, and location services. To sum it up, this is the biggest update the EV maker's iOS app has had in a while. Recently, Tesla has mainly focused on providing bug fixes and improvements, outside of the introduction of virtual power plant enrollment. What do you think about the Tesla Model Pi phone? Let us know in the comment section below.